As you can see, Toon is very excited for the food. She has her trunk out.
Neha is very smart. If there's special fruits, right, she knows Toon will get it from her. So she usually takes it and run away.
Hello everyone! Welcome to Mandai Monthly, your guide to enjoying Mandai Wildlife Reserve. Right now, we are at night safari. Did you know that work begins here before dusk falls? Let's go check out what the early shift looks like for those caring for our gentle giants, the Asian elephants. Let's go! Hi Vara, hi Anna!
Hey, hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Where is this place that we're at right now?
We are in Chawang exhibit right now.
So what do you have to do for the day?
Usually we come in the morning, we have to clean up the areas and put up enrichment boxes for him.
You can help us too.
Hey, sure! Not easy to be from the animal care team. Look at how much she has swept and how much I'm sweeping.
One more person helping is better than nothing.
Every effort counts.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. I'm having an elephant time.
I'm cleaning the poop, my favorite day of the job. Usually elephants are vegetarian, so their feces doesn't smell much. We usually check on the poop. From the poop we can see how their body condition is. Usually their poops are hard and solid. So if there's something wrong, we'll call in the vets to check on him. Now we're going to hang this napier grass. We're going to lower down the hinge and hang it for Chawang later in the night. We will lift the leaves up to a height for him to stretch out to grab the leaves. So it's a kind of exercise for him as well.
Are you doing this? Okay. For this over here, we're gonna fill it up with the hay.
How is this different from the leaves that we hang up just now?
Hay net actually it engages him longer, so it gets him to use the tip of his trunk to pull the hay down. The leaves is easier because he can just grab it, sometimes shake it around and then everything will drop.
What are some challenges you face taking care of the elephants?
I would say it's very physically demanding. For the exhibit, we actually clean once a day, but for their back of house, we will clean twice a day.
I'm sure there must be something very fulfilling for you, right? You take care of the elephants.
Yes, it's actually very nice to see the elephants enjoying their food in the clean space and enjoying their time inside here.
Other than cleaning the habitat and preparing the food for them, what other tasks do you do in a day?
We also do trainings with our elephants to condition them for certain medical procedure. We also do foot care, like trimming of their toenails and checking they are not overgrown.
Those are very difficult tasks. So what are we going to do next?
So we are done with Chawang's habitat. So now we're going to head over and prepare the elephants for the night.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Now we are in the tram route. Towards our left is our female Asian elephants exhibit. The one nearest to us here is Toon. The one right in the middle, there's Nandong. The one right in front, the small one here, is Neha.
Neha is our youngest. She is a very curious and very playful elephant. Nandong, she is Neha's mother. Nandong is very protective of Neha. Whenever Neha cries or trumpets, she will straight away look for Neha. Our biggest elephant, Toon, she's always eating. The elephants can actually eat 100 kilos to 150 kilos of food every single day.
Oh, that's a lot.
We have one more, Jamila. We'll rotate them in the night. At 10 o'clock she comes out. We'll be joining Toon in the exhibit. She's the oldest elephant we have here and she's our matriarch now.
How old is Jamila?
Jamila is actually 47, 46 years old this year. It's an estimate. The elephants in our care, once they reach 75% of their average lifespan, they will be assessed whether they need any additional supplements to boost their daily feedings. For Jamila, she does get vitamin B and vitamin C, even fish oil to boost her diet.
If you want to catch our 4 female Asian elephants, please come to the night safari before 10 PM and after 10 PM. Do you want to feed our elephants?
Of course.
Let's go! Today we have bananas, we got sugarcane, carrots, and their favourite durians.
As you can see, Toon is very excited for the food. She has her trunk out. She wants to be the first to get the bananas.
Looks like they're very agile with their trunk.
They can pick up a 50-cent coin with their trunk.
A 50-cent coin. Wow, nice one for you. So how do the female elephants interact with one another?
They call out to the other elephants. So as a herd, right, they always look out for each other. So when someone is missing, right, they make sure that they are back so they can all be comfortable.
Durians!
Neha is very smart. If there's special fruits, right, she knows Toon will get it from her. So she usually takes it and run away.
Toon is stealing it from her.
She's slowly enjoying but still protecting what's left of her durian.
Okay, now we are done with the feeding. Let's go and check out our male Asian elephants.
Let's go!
Let's go!
So this is Chawang. He's the icon of night safari. He's hidden behind the tree right now because he's playing with the hay net on top. So he's enjoying his meal.
Can we share a bit more about Chawang's personality?
Chawang is a very charismatic male elephant and he's also very responsive towards us. So whenever we call out to him, he actually responds in a slightly squeaky high tone, which is very unexpected of such a very big elephant.
Usually when we leave him browse, right, he'll find sticks, put one stick below his tusk like a toothpick and he walks around.
So adorable.
So Chawang actually has a cheeky side to him too. He likes to surprise us with a water spray sometimes. I remember on my very first day of work, he snuck up on me and gave me a surprise water spray. He gave me a very good welcome shower. So Chawang has a son here in Night Safari. His name is Sangwira. He's actually a very smart male elephant. He's very quick in learning new things. He's also very playful. You can actually see him in the exhibit sometimes playing in the mud, playing in his pool.
You can hop onto the tram and see Sanvira. He's opposite the female Asian elephant exhibit.
So how long have the two of you been working with our elephants?
So I've been working with elephants for around 4 years now. I started off with the zoo elephants before joining the Night Safari team.
As for me, I've been working with elephants since 2002, if I'm not wrong. I left twice. I wanted to try other jobs, but the bond with the elephants made me come back here again.
When you came back, did they recognize you?
The moment I came back, I went to zoo to see my elephants I used to work with. And the moment they saw me, they came near me, they remembered me very well.
How easy or difficult was it to build a bond with the elephants?
To build a bond with the elephants, right, it takes time.
And I think the best way to bond with them is actually through food. Slowly we will reach a point where we are able to call on to them and then they will come proactively. It's also helpful for like training, and if we need to condition them for a medical procedure, if we have a good bond with them, then they are more willing to come and participate in the trainings and the conditioning.
So when you build a bond, right, they trust you. So the moment they trust you, they feel ease doing these kind of things.
So thank you Anand and Farah. And that's it for this episode of Mandai Monthly. Hop onto our tram to visit our female Asian elephants and Sangwira, or take a walk to our bull elephant lookout to check out our majestic Chawang. And why should we visit Night Safari?
Because Night Safari is the only park where you can get to see our male and female Asian elephants. So please come down, okay?
Must come, okay?
See you around!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.